magic.
Hi, my name is Amy Chopin.
And I'm Vladimir Chopin, and we are Wonderlanders.
Wonderlanders. You may have seen these around the park. You may not have one. You may be curious. What are they? What is it about? What can you do with them?
They are come in different shapes and styles. Actually, shapes almost all the same, but they have it with different colors, different price point. Should you get it? Should you do not get one of these? And also we'll going and showing you how to set up if you get one. Hopefully it will help. The Magic Band come in different price point. The price point only reflect on the design of this. It does not affect the functionality of this band.
Works with Alexa, especially it's a 100. This is cost like $68, $69, something about this. You open Steam Bollywood. So let's go open. And if we pull out, we have charger here. There's the remote charger. So it's actually box design, very nice. And instructions is inside. Okay. Oh, this is different. Actually, I see that is interesting. Okay.
Why don't you?
Oh, there's a. I'm just looking. Oh, this is a little bit nicer. I think they're done actually. Casing. Yeah, casing feels much better than the standard. Actually, this casing look better. Look more kind of more solid. I still not big fan about this ripping here for the smaller because what if I accidentally pull out? But it seems like work okay. So there's a watch. Let's go connect now, and we'll show how to connect to your application. Overall, this is charger. It's work okay. The one thing, usually it's be charged, but I'm not sure if this one will be charged or not.
This is actually very interesting, very simple how designed. In some cases, I think too simple. For example, you can notice when you put on your band, it's covered these two pieces that you kind of interlock inside. The problem is, if you start going around, it's very easy, just hit and come out.
This used to happen. This happened with Vladimir all the time. It
Yeah.
only ever happened to me once. I really think it's just the structure here.
Wrist, no, I have it also backpack, and sometimes the strap maybe pull out. And it was, in one case, I even did not know I lost it. Likely for me, somebody who was staying in line that says, hey, you lost your Magic Band. And I'm like, oh, it's here. Because they're very light. You know, they're very, very light.
Which is an advantage.
It's an advantage, yes.
Yeah.
But it's disadvantage because you don't know when you lose. To solve this problem, it's very, very simple. You can notice right here, I put a small, teeny, tiny rubber band. So when you go over, you put it rubber band above this and it will lock. And those actually problem is obviously exist for some other bands. If you're interested, you can go on Amazon and we'll provide link down below for you and purchase pack, and it's very inexpensive, of this multicolor different bands. You can see the rubber like this, and they're going on your watches. They are perfectly fit, and then you slide inside and they kind of lock. After I put this teeny tiny hook, this teeny tiny rubber, I never this come out from my wrist.
Yeah.
So
That's actually a good point. If you do have some trouble setting this up and you're in the middle of the park and you're frustrated, there are a few guest service places, and you can go there and they'll help you out.
Yeah, they're very
helpful.
I mean, they know precisely what to do, so it's very...
There are a lot of things you can do with it. You can connect it up to your tickets, or if you are a Magic Key holder, to your Magic Key. You can go and they will scan it. You can enter the park that way.
Good morning.
There's some interactivity with some of the medallions. That's kind of fun. Or some of the other things inside the park. In Galaxy's Edge, there's this cool bounty hunter game. And you can also connect it to your PhotoPass and your Genie Plus. So all these different things that are very useful. It's not necessary for you to have this. You will still have a great fun time in Disneyland if you don't have this, but just little things here and there that it will add to your experience. One of my favorite things though to do with it was walk around doing the bounty hunting.
Can you do bounty hunt on your phone
You
or
cannot
only?
do bounty hunting without
So
the Magicband.
So you must have
You have to have it.
Magicband.
You put there's a little device that scans. It gives you your hide and seek adventure. And then when you find the thing, you put it in. And thank you for joining us. I hope this was a helpful video for you. You can join us on Patreon.
And have a wonderful day.
Brrr.